Jai Jagannath, learners, dear competitors. It is especially some important information regarding the CGL notification 2026. এই ভিডিওটা মু অপলোড করছি কেবল ওড়িশারে আমার বহুত স্টুডেন্টস মানে যে আওয়ার করা পাই যে সিজিএল র নোটিফিকেশন ହେଇଛି 2026 রে কেতটা এক্সাম হি ଅଛି তো ସେ এক্সাম ର କିଛି important information মু ତମକୁ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି because so many aspirants are there in our state जो माने ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଏତେକା ଆୱାର ହୁଅନ୍ତିନି तो मु तुमको या ଉପରେ ସବୁ ମୋର ଲର୍ନର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ମୋର ଗୋଟେ important information so that it will be helpful to them for their competitive exam. First of all, total vacancy. देखो पिला माने almost तुम्हारा vacancy अच्छी 12,256. I mean 1,256 posts are there for different posts, important posts. जो कि मैं आगु कहबी. Online form start. Online तुमମାନଙ୍କର आरंभ हो जाउची 21/5 May 21 ର online form already पिला माने जो माने applicants so already forms माने पकेबा आरंभ करलेनी and last date of applying that is your 22nd June 2026. So another 6 or 7 days are there. So जो माने भी जानी नथियो से माने immediately form fill up करा. तो तुम्हें जानी चाहिए CGL रा जो exam हुए Tier 1 and Tier 2 exams are there. Tier 1 exam, it will be conducted August to September 2026. Then Tier 2, it is in December 2026. Tier 1, August to September. Tier 2, December 2026. Okay. Then age limit, age limit, it starts from 18. Okay. 18 to 31 years. So within this range, the students, they can apply for these posts. Age limit is 18 to 31. There is relaxation. There will be relaxation. Relaxation what are the relaxations here? Age relaxations. Age relaxation you see for SC, ST students, relaxation is of your 5 years. And then for OBC, relaxation is of your 3 years. Then PWBD, I mean person with your benchmark disabilities. Disabilities. Okay. So for them, relaxation is of your 10 years. 10 वर्ष relaxation से माने बस. So these are the age relaxation. Then application fee. Application fee वो those are general, OBC and EWS category जो माने जाउछंती. तो सेमानंकर जोगा इकोनॉमिकल वीकर सेक्शन ओबीसी जनरल एमानंक पई एप्लीकेशन फीस अछि 100 टका 100 रुपीस एससी एसटी फीमेल पीडब्ल्यूबीडी ईएसएम ईएसएम मींस एक्स सर्विसमैन जो माने अछंती सेमानंक पई फीस नै नो फीस ओके सो दिस इज अबाउट योर एज रिलैक्सेशन एंड एप्लीकेशन फी सो नोट इट डाउन एंड मु एटा भी मोरो चैनल रे मते अपलोड कर देबी सो दैट यू कैन फॉलो इट अगेन. So your application fees, then important posts. What are the important posts for that CGL test? Assistant Section Officer, Income Tax Inspector, CBI Sub Inspector, Preventive Officer, Excise Inspector, Junior Statistical Officer, Auditor, Accountant, Postal Assistant, and then your tax assistant. So these are the posts. Again, I tell it again: Assistant Section Officer, Income Tax Officer, then CBI Sub Inspector, then Preventive Officer, then Excise Inspector, Junior Statistical Officer, then Auditor, Accountant, Postal Assistant, and your tax assistant. So these are the important posts in that CGL exam. Okay. Then after salary, according to the post, the salary varies from 35,000 to 1 lakh rupees. This is minimum is your 35,000. Then it varies from 35 and goes up to 1 lakh rupees. And बर्तमान में देखिबा यार सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कोन. Selection process टा केमिति वे Tier 1 it is completely your computer based test. But commonly समझते जानती this is your CBT. Okay, this is your CBT computer based test. Tier 2 the same thing computer based test CBT. And another is your test मतलब data entry skill test. Okay. And last one, it is your document verification. These are the selection process. Of course, जो test जो का लिखा है हमारा data entry skill test और skill test that is for those computer related post जो का रही छी तापाई post का रही छी कौन skill test और computer speak I mean data entry skill test. This is selection process. Then After selection process, then we come to the next phase. You see SSC CGL Tier 1 exam pattern. को वे रे ए पैटर्न बा केमती क्वेश्चंस आसे क्वेश्चन पैटर्न कोन पिला माने बोलसे देखो प्रथम सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट टायर 1 एग्जाम पैटर्न फर्स्ट वन इट इज योर रीजनिंग इन योर रीजनिंग 25 questions will be there and every question carries your 2 marks. Reasoning 25 questions and every question it takes your 2 marks, so 25 into 2, this is your 50 marks and time is your 15 minutes. Okay, time it is 15 minutes. Then comes your general awareness. So for general awareness, you know, same pattern, 25 questions and every question carries your 2 marks, so 50 marks and time is your 15 minutes. And then quantitative aptitude test once, that is your 25 questions and every question also that contains your 2 marks, I mean 50 marks, that is also 15 minutes. And finally there comes English. So in English, same thing, 25 questions and questions, every question carries 50 marks, then it is also of your 15 minutes. So total, there are, you see, 100 questions and total mark is your 200 in Tier 1 exam. But one thing here, your total timing 1 year, but there is negative marking. Negative marking is your 0.5, I mean half mark. So students should be very much conscious whenever they appear this exam because there is negative marking. That is most important thing. Okay, so this is your 13. I mean next one, you see, then SSC CGL Tier 2 exam pattern. So Tier 2 exam pattern is something different. Here in section 1 and section 2. In section 1 first comes your mathematics. Okay, 30 questions are there. 30 questions and every question carries your 3 marks, right? It means 90 marks and your time is your 30 minutes. There you have to spare, and here respectively, I mean individually you have to do there. Previously that pattern was there, one student jane kon karutila na suppose mathematics kari doutila immediately tar time ko se adjust karutila, but here that system has been changed. Then reasoning it is your 30 marks, 30 questions, every question is of your 3 marks, so like it is your 90 marks and your this time is 30 minutes. So your total question 60, total marks 180 and time is 1 hour. So it is section 1. Section 1 is subject, mathematics, and another is your reasoning. Then comes your section 2. In section 2, most important thing is your English. Here in English, you will get 45 questions, which is very important because in most of the CGL exams, English plays very vital role, very important role for a student to qualify that exam. You see, in English, you will get 45 questions. Every question consists your 3 marks. So 45 questions, likewise your 135 marks. And your time limit is your 40 minutes. 40 minutes तुमको time मिलिबो तुममानको बस तुममाने से 40. and here actually if someone जने यदि इंग्लिश ऊपर vocab और ग्रामर ऊपर परफेक्टली जानछि से एई जगह रे आराम से जो 135 मार्क जोटा कि हबो तार की पॉइंट जोटा को नेक्स्ट दैट इज द ट्रम्प कार्ड फॉर हिम तार पे टाइप को ट्रम्प कार्ड ताको ने किसी सीजीएल आराम से क्रैक करि परिबो. So because for that, and then general awareness is your 25 questions, 75 marks, one question, same thing, carries 3 marks, like your 20 minutes. Okay, so total question here, 70 questions, total mark to 10, and time is your 1 hour. Okay, and remember one thing, in Tier 2, the questions, especially math and English, are a little bit tough in comparison to Tier 1. Tier 1 karu, Tier 2 re question a little bit tricky rahe. So reasoning and general awareness, that is completely traditionally depends on your culture. तो माने कहते कौन culture करिचा, तो माने कर culture ऊपर से marks depend करे. But this is very important. Your mathematics, here you will get your 90 marks, and here English 135 marks. Okay, in section 2, this is very important. So always be vigilant for those 2 subjects. Okay, then Tier 2 exam pattern in section 3. Okay, so here those are computer related post. जो अच्छी तापई okay, computer test हुए 20 numbers of questions. Every question carries your 3 marks. Okay, likewise your 60 marks, and here time is your 15 minutes. And the next one is your data entry speed test. Okay, so no question is there. That depends on your your skill, how fast you can type data entry you can do, and that is one. That test is of your 15 minutes. This is section 3. Okay, and section 3 is especially for those computer related posts. So dear learners, this is the pattern of your CGL exam. So I hope basically the students of Odisha amar jo pila mane achati, I think this video will be very much helpful to them. At least they can be aware of different set of question and question patterns. And apart from that, another thing I may say you, here in this institute, specially coaching is given for English for all those competitive exams. Though other branches are there, +2 branches are there, but especially for competitive English, some batches are going in here. So you can join offline or online batches. Contact, everything is given in the link also. You can follow, you can share it, and I think this will be very helpful and this will be very educative for you. Jai Jagannath.